Today I'm going to show you how to make spinach manicotti with 2 manicotti noodles filled with creamy ricotta, spinach, and plenty of cheese. Hi, I'm Joni from onedishkitchen.com, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. I've added the full recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the recipe page where you can even find a printable recipe. So let me show you how to make it. To start with, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook manicotti pasta in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain and then set aside. Heat a half tablespoon of olive oil in a medium-sized skillet over medium-high heat for 30 seconds. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic and add the minced garlic to the skillet. Cook for 30 seconds, stirring occasionally. Add 1 cup of fresh spinach to the pan and cook. Stir frequently until the spinach is wilted, about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the skillet from the heat. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together a half a cup of ricotta, the cooked spinach and garlic, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and coarsely ground pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. Place a 1/4 cup of marinara sauce in the bottom of a small baking dish. Divide the ricotta and spinach mixture in 2 and fill the 2 manicotti tubes. Place the stuffed manicotti into the dish. Pour a 1/4 cup of marinara sauce over the stuffed manicotti. Then top it with a half cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil from the baking dish and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese has melted. Remove the baking dish from the oven and enjoy hot. Thank you for watching. Please click the thumbs up button to like this video. Also hit the subscribe and bell notification and check out the rest of our videos and share them with your friends and family. Visit onedishkitchen.com where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.